Your naked pool will need to be checked and balanced on a regular basis. This video will take you through the basics to ensure you have a trouble-free freshwater pool. Firstly, the user guide, something we strongly recommend you familiarise yourself with. Also, it's worth a read. The user guide has all you need to know to understand your pool and its water chemistry, along with various troubleshooting tips. Not bad reading material while you relax by your pool. Let's have a closer look at what your typical setup looks like. First is the naked oxidizer ionizer cell housing. This will most likely have been installed by your builder already. Then your new naked control unit. This will also have been installed and will be where you change your pool settings and much more. In your normal pool setup, you can find these in close proximity to the pump and filter. While these all are important, don't worry too much about them at this point. We'll cover them in future videos. Now you understand more about your freshwater pool, let's talk maintenance. As previously mentioned, maintenance is required to keep your investment in tip-top shape and your water healthy. Not to mention to ensure that your pool is clean and safe for swimming. Testing pool water at home is simple. Use the testing kit usually provided by your builder and takes only a few minutes. If you prefer to use a pool shop, take samples of your water in the naked bottle provided in your starter pack. It contains all the information they need to properly test your freshwater pool. Firstly, pH should be maintained at the correct levels. For the first 10 to 12 weeks, the pH levels may be on the high end, especially for concrete pools. This is normal. It can be remedied with some hydrochloric acid from any pool shop and typically settles over time. Your pool's copper levels should be monitored regularly, especially in summer. Pool shop test results can vary, especially with copper levels, so for accuracy, be sure to balance the pool correctly and test copper with the naked copper test kit provided with your system. Regular water testing with your water test kit and the help of water balance guidelines and calculators found on the Naked app make testing simple. We recommend a visit to the pool shop every 4 to 6 weeks to ensure everything about your pool water is in balance. And of course, a quick and easy check to do is simply to look into the pool and ask, is the water clear? Can you see the bottom of the pool? And does the water look any different to how it looked the day before? If there are any changes, a water test may be necessary before swimming. Any more questions? Check out our resources on the Naked Pool app or give our team a call. Otherwise, enjoy your crystal clear freshwater pool.